Hello Bacha Party, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start with the soluble and insoluble under the bridge course. Let's study this property with the help of example. If I take a glass of particular water and I put a pinch of salt in it. If I put pinch of salt in it and stir for 1 minute. If I put a pinch of salt in a water and I stir for at least 1 minute, then after 1 minute this particular salt dissolved in this water or disappear in this water. Okay, let's see. If I stir this particular water with salt for a few minute or a few seconds, as you can see, this particular salt in this water is disappeared or dissolved in it. So this kind of substance which dissolve or disappear in a water, such a substance are known as soluble in water. Okay, let's take another example. If I put a stone, as you can see, white stone in a glass of water. If I put a stone in a glass of water and if I stir this water at least for half an hour or hour, still this stone does not disappear or dissolve in a water. So some substance do not dissolve or disappear even after we stir for a few minutes. Such a substance are known as, or such a substance are insoluble in water. Okay, so let's revise it. What is soluble? Some substance which disappear or dissolve in water. This substance are soluble in water, and there are some substance which do not dissolve or disappear even after we stir for a few minutes. Then this substance are insoluble in water. Okay, the substance which are easily dissolved in water are soluble, and the substance which do not dissolve in water are insoluble. As we have taken an example of salt and stone, we similarly dissolve any liquid in a water. Okay, some liquids are soluble in water, that means some of this liquid easily disappear or dissolve in a water. So such a liquid are soluble in water. And similarly, as we have seen, stone does not dissolve or disappear in water. In the same way, there are some liquid which do not get dissolved in particular water, like oil. If you put a spoon of oil in a water, you can easily see two layers. Oil is floating on a particular water. So some of the liquids are soluble in water and some of the liquids are insoluble in water. In the same way, almost all the gases are soluble in water, especially oxygen. Okay, oxygen play important role in the survival of water animal and water plants. Okay, as we required oxygen for our survival, similarly water animal and water plant also required oxygen for their survival. Okay, from where they get that oxygen? Because the oxygen is soluble in water. So from water they get particular oxygen which is necessary for their survival, and they are getting that oxygen from water. So since oxygen is soluble in water, that water animals and water plants are able to use that oxygen from water. Okay, so oxygen play a very important role in the survival of water animal and water plant. I hope you are clear with this particular property of soluble and insoluble substances. Okay,
keep watching and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and do not forget to wear a mask and take good care of your health.